Moe and Friends.
What's Moe holding?
I think he's got a letter, so I think he probably better go exploring.
Why are you leaving?
Because Moe likes learning, and today Moe has a yearning to know more. Sing!
I see that you're carrying the letter C. I'll only come along if you carry me.
Moe loves to wander and roam.
If I were you, I'd probably stay at home. Take it easy, Moe.
Bye, Moe.
Cheerio, Moe.
Excuse Moe. Kia ora. Moe is looking for a cheesemaker.
Oh, I happen to be a cheesemaker, Moe. I'll be making some halloumi today.
Haloumi? What are the different types of cheese you make?
Oh, Moe, we make fresh cheese, like chev, and ricotta and halloumi.
Yeah.
But we also make some cheese that we mature for a long time in the cheese cave so that they taste good. So that's months, if not years old, when you eat it.
Years? So halloumi's not going to take a year to make?
No,
About how long is it going to take to make?
you'll have halloumi for dinner.
Okay, we better get started.
We need to get some goat milk.
Whoa! They're feeding the goats milk. It must be goat's milk. Whoa! Could Moe please save some of your goat's milk?
Yes.
Yes.
Here we are, Moe. Here's your milk.
Oh, well, thank you very much. Okay, back to the cheesemaker. What do we do first?
Oh, we put milk in the pot, Moe.
Okay.
And
milk.
then we have to pasteurise it. So we heat the milk up to kill the bacteria, so it's completely safe.
What are you doing now, Jenny?
We're putting in the rennet. The rennet is the enzyme that creates the curds and whey.
You know Little Miss Muffet? You know how they say she eats curds and whey?
This is exactly what they're talking about.
Little Miss Muffet's got some weird tasting cheese. What are we doing now?
Now that the curds have been pressed, we're going to cut them. We'll just cut down the middle here.
Oh, Jenny, who cut the cheese?
You know it wasn't me. So we'll put the cheese in the whey and that will cook the cheese. Now we need to wait until the cheese floats.
Come on, halloumi. Moe was waiting patiently. No. No, halloumi. No. Whoa, there it is. Hey, Jenny, the halloumi's floating to the top.
Yes, too, Moe. Now we're going to salt it, Moe. So we just rub salt into all the surfaces, and that helps preserve it and adds a bit of taste.
Now what do we do?
That's it, Moe.
Did we just make cheese?
We did indeed.
Oh, yeah, high five.
High five.
Halloumi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.